Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for yet another video. So you've probably seen by now my New Year's makeup look, and as you can see, I still have that look on. I want to take this one step further. No matter if this is for going out, whatever it may be, it doesn't have to be a special holiday. It doesn't have to be New Year's. It doesn't have to be Valentine's Day. It doesn't have to be anything cool. But I wanted to show you guys how to do a very simple but formal hair bun tutorial. Okay, I know that was like a mouthful. So I wanted to bring this tutorial to you guys because I want it to be super simple. You guys can wear it for any occasion, all occasions, whatever you want to do. It's seriously so easy. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of scoot back a little bit so you can see my hair. I have really long, not really long hair, but like medium length hair. And I'm going to take my brush, looks very gnarly, don't look too close, and I'm just going to brush my hair out. And I found that this kind of classy bun tutorial is really a lot easier if your hair is clean and you've blow dried it, it's good to go. Whatever that looks like for you, whatever is easier for you to be able to do things with your hair, the better. You don't have to blow dry it if it doesn't work for you. You don't have to straighten it. You don't have to do anything to it if it doesn't work for you, okay? So, but for me, for my hair, it works better if when I get out of the shower, I blow dry it and then try to do something with it, okay? All right, so I'm brushing my hair to make it feel really, really soft. Okay. And I'm gonna take a hair tie. So I would recommend using a hair tie that is the color of your hair. For me, this is blonde, but they also have, let me show you as well. So back when I was actually like my natural color, this is like a black one, black, dark brown. So they've got a bunch of different colors that you can get. You can get them at Walmart, Target, wherever you shop. But I would suggest using one that is very close to your hair color. And what we're gonna do, and I part my hair down the middle, but you can certainly do this if you part your hair over to the side as well. It's really the same concept. So I part my hair down the middle. I'm going to throw my hair behind me if your hair is long enough. And I'm going to grab it. And I'm going to turn to the side so you guys can kind of see. I'm going to grab it, and I'm actually going to go ahead and just put it in a ponytail. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it to where it kind of creates this, like, it sticks out just a little bit, okay? And I'm just gonna tie it in a ponytail right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna tie it right there in a ponytail. And notice how I haven't tied it very tight. It's actually just very loose, easy, nothing too crazy, like don't slam it up against your head, just very loose. Okay, that's the first step, super simple. All right, so the next step is I'm going to take some bobby pins, and again, I would recommend trying to use the colors that are closest to your hair, but I've dyed my hair so many times in the past several years, and now I have a collection of bobby pins at this point. So I've got brown ones, I've got black ones, I've got blonde ones, I've got literally the whole shebang. So whatever works best for you, go ahead and use that. I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit more. Maybe it'll kind of help you see. So, but the real trick here is, and again, super easy, we're gonna make it into a small bun, okay? And I'm gonna do that by taking the hair, and I'm going to just fold it up like this, and then I'm gonna hold it and fold it around the side. I'm gonna hold the top. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm going to twist it around the bottom and up at the top. Okay, so you guys should see that I have this like little bun going on now at this point. All right, so I'm going to take my bobby pins and I'm going to start up at the top, and I'm going to pin the top, okay, because that's where the hair came back through. I'm going to pin the top, okay, and I'm still going to hold on to it because I don't have leverage with it yet. So then I take another bobby pin, and I'm going to bobby pin the side. And I like to take hair and kind of pull it under with the bobby pin and pin it in to help it stay secure. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, sorry, I gotta twist back around. Then I'm gonna take my bobby pin, take a little bit of hair, pull it under. It's hard to do without a mirror. And stick the bobby pin in. So it should feel a little bit more secure. I'm going to take it to the other side, pull a little bit of hair, and tuck it under. All right. I'm going to take another bobby pin, pull a little bit of hair, and pull that under. All right. And then I'm going to take it right down here, pull a little bit of hair, and pull it under. I don't know if you guys can see that. Super easy. Super easy. Look, I let go of it, and I have a little bit of hair sticking out right here, but you can always put another bobby pin in right there to secure it. Or if you're like me, I really don't care if it's sticking out like that. I really don't care. It still looks good the way it is. But voila. This is the simple bun, and it literally took 2 seconds, okay? So the last thing that we're gonna do to kind of finish up this easy bun, and again, you can do this if you part over to the side, but I part my hair down the middle, is I'm gonna take a little bit of my hair that frames my face, and I'm gonna pull it down. Look how cute that looks. I'm actually really impressed with this here. Okay, and I'm just gonna pull it down, and you can pull however much hair down as you want. The way my hair is cut, it's really easy for me to kind of pull this down. All right, guys, was that easy or was that easy? That was so easy, and all it took was one hair tie, a little bit of twisting in the back, and just a few bobby pins, and you've got this really classy, really cute hair bun. Like, so cute, you guys. Like, it's so cute, and it's so easy. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Let me know if I need to explain something further, but this literally should take you no longer than maybe 10-15 minutes, okay? Super easy. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you guys have comments or if you have any other videos that you guys would like to see, please let me know and make sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below. All right, I think that's it for today, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye-bye.